Hello guys, today I want to teach you guys how to download Ubuntu Linux in our computer. The software we will use is called Google Chrome and another one is called Oracle VirtualBox. The Oracle VirtualBox we can download on our Google Chrome. For the first step is we go to Google Chrome and search Oracle VM VirtualBox. Here is the official website for Oracle VirtualBox. So we click it. And then for this website, you can see here it have a button is called download, and then you click the button download. And then we want to find the title is called VirtualBox Platform Package. And then we download the version is called Windows Host. So then we download and then find a place you want to install your VirtualBox and then install it. For this one, because my computer is already installed my VirtualBox, so that when you guys download done for the VirtualBox, you just follow the instruction and then it was very easily for you to install. After we successful to install our VirtualBox, we also need another file is called Ubuntu ISO file, so that I need to go their official website to download it. Here is the official website for them. And you can see here is the home page and here have a button is called download Ubuntu and we click it and we click the green button and then we want to find a version is called Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS and then we need to ensure the behind have the LTS because it will provide a long-term support. And then the total for this version is 5.8 GB. And then here is the button for our download. So we download it. And then for that we need to wait for a while. And then we download. When we download done our Ubuntu ISO file, we just straightforward to open the Oracle VirtualBox. Look at it. And then here is a version for me to testing the Ubuntu. So we just click the button new and then we need to set a name for our virtual machine name. So I call it Ubuntu 2. And then we also need to ensure the type is called Linux, subtype is called Ubuntu, and then the version is Ubuntu 64. And then is anything okay? We just click next. And then here is the RAM and CPU for our to choose so that we can choose our memory to 9,000 and then our processor is go to like 7 and then we click next and then here have three options for our to choose so that we just need to choose this one, create a virtual hard disk now, and then we can change the GB like 100 100 and then we click next. And then here is a summary for just now with our setting. So that is anything okay, we just click finish button. And then here will jump out a version just now we setting it. For the next step is we want to put our ISO file into this system. So that we click this setting and then we go to storage and you will see a name is called control IDE. We click this one, the empty one, and then see the optical drive and here have the picture like the DVD. So we click it and choose a disk file. And then we go to find the ISO file. Here, Ubuntu, this one, the ISO file. We open it and we just click OK. So that it already successful to put our ISO file into this system and then we run it. So that we already successful enter our VirtualBox And then for this page, we only can use our keyboard, the arrow button to control it up and down only. We cannot use our mouse. So then we go to the first one and press enter, and then it will run it. We just need to wait. Okay, we already successful to enter our system, the Ubuntu Linux version. So that we need to set up our system. For this one, you can choose what language you like to put, and then I will choose English one lah. For accessibility, this function is give people to use the system is more easily they have changed some setting at here. But for me, I will not to change anything at here, so then we click the button skip next. And then here is select our own keyboard layout. So that I will choose the English US as my keyboard layout. And then we click next. For this part, here are two options let us to choose. So that I will choose the first one is use wireless connection to connect to the internet. And then we click next. And then here will show us the version we can update. But for me, I will not update first. So that we click the skip. And then for here, because our purpose is want to install a Ubuntu at our computer, so that we absolutely choose the first one as install Ubuntu, and then we click next. And then for this part, we also choose the first option as interactive installation, and then we click next. And then for this part, we also choose the first option as default selection. We click next. And then for this part, we also choose the first option as install third-party software for graphic and Wi-Fi hardware. And then we choose it and then we click next. For the disk setup, usually we will choose the first option, which is erase disk and install Ubuntu. Some people will worry about if we choose this option, it will erase our Windows system or not. But we no need to worry about it because we using the virtual box, we're not using our own computer system, so that we just choose it will not erase our Windows system. We click next, and then we create an account for me, and then my name is call it, and then like this one I can call my virtual box. Then my username also call it, and then my password. So also, and then click the first one, require my password to log in. And we click next. And for here, select a country you like. I just set it as default, and then we click next. And then here is a summary, and then it will ready for to install your Ubuntu system. And then we check it out, and then we just click install. So for now, we need to wait for it until it download done. we've finally done our Ubuntu Linux version, and then we need to restart our VirtualBox so that we just close our VirtualBox, restart it. Okay, so now we already restart our VirtualBox, so I want to enter my own account. So this is my own account, and then we click in and then enter my password. Okay, so that our Ubuntu Linux is already download and it already can use for it. In my opinion, which operating system I will choose as a student is Windows. It is because Windows is more user-friendly than Linux. Windows often a more intuitive user interface. It will making the installation and daily use is very easily. But for Linux, although Linux have a powerful and flexible system, it often requires more command line operation, which can be challenging for non-technical users. After that, the second reason as a student I will choose Windows is because Windows have a better productivity and study support than Linux. Windows is a great choice for students because it natively supports Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which are widely used for our assignment, our report, and presentation. But for Linux, students may need to rely on alternatives where like LibreOffice or web-based solution, which may not always be fully compatible with school requirements.